Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Today we're going to be doing a Loveworld song, Wonderful God, Mighty God, Everlasting Father. Alright, so I'm going to be playing it in the key of G. So this is chord 1, chord 2, chord 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 1. Alright, so you can play. So you're playing a chord 1, and then 4, 6, and then 5 as the intro. So then a wonderful God, mighty God, 4, 6, everlasting Father, 5. Then Prince of Peace, da da da, 4, 6, da da da. You're the wonderful God, 1, da da da, 4, everlasting, 6, and then 5. Then Prince of Peace, 1, 4, 6, 5. I bless your name. This 4. They move to 6. There is none like you. 4, 6, 5. They do 1. 2, 6, 1, 2, 6, 5. Oh Lord, I got 4. Okay, so let's do that second part again. I bless your name. That's 4. There is none like you. That's 6, 5. I bless your name. Then 6, da, 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 5. They do 1. Honor, power, dominion, 6. Your name, 5. A wisdom, then glory be unto you. Oh Lord our God. That's 4. Then the last part. To your reign and dominion. So you do a 7. Alright, so 7, 6, 5. Whilst your right still maintain the 5. So if it was a bass, it would be like this. To your reign and dominion. Right. To your reign and dominion. I'm taking it off. To your reign and dominion, there shall be no end. Alright, so to your reign and dominion, there shall be, it can be 4, no end to 5. Then we do a 2. Jesus, 2 to 4. Sorry, 6. Rain is everlasting. Now, because he's singing lasting, you can also play a suspended chord, like to your reign and dominion, there shall be no end. Jesus, your reign is everlasting. the last one. To your